I stress that because it's possible to forgive without restoration. You can forgive. Like, look, I want to be real, because you can forgive and say, you know what, I forgive you, but we don't have to, we don't have to get close in relationship like that no more. You can forgive a person, especially if they do you wrong. I forgive you. I'm not trying to get my lick back with you, but guess what? You stay over there. I'm gonna stay over here. But here's what I want to point out about that. Forgiveness, you can forgive without reconnecting or restoration. And sometimes you have to forgive and just let it go. Sometimes you do have to forgive and let it go.